Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a stopwatch in Visual Studio. Let's start. So this is a form design. You need a group box, 5 labels, 6 buttons and 1 list box. I have given the text for all the buttons as start, stop, reset, save, delete and new. Let's start with the coding. So for start, which is button 1, the code goes like this. This is the code of button 1, which is the start button. This is the start button, which is button 1. This is the code. Now let's do the stop button. Just this one simple code for button 2, which is stop. For reset, it will be this is the small code for reset. For save, it's like this is just a one-line code for button 4, which is save button. Let's go up with the delete button. This is the simple code for button 5, which is the delete button. See that? Delete button. For the new button, the code is that's it. This is the code for button 6, which is new. You also make sure that you add the code for timer also, which is the code for this button 1. You can copy it and just paste it over there. Now this is the code for the timer. So these are all the codes. Let's start. Okay, let's check. Yes, it works. Let's see if this also works. Oh, this also works. See? Now if I type stop, it stops. Start, it starts. Reset, everything's 0. Again it starts. Save, save, save. Yes. Now stop, reset. Let's check out if it's deleting also. Delete. Yes. New. See, it works. So this is the stopwatch. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and do not forget to switch on the notification button to be updated and share this video.